Good morning, everyone. What a beautiful morning it is this morning. Holy cow. Some fog rolled in last night. The sun's starting to come up. Holy cow, I'm kind of speechless. This is great. It's kind of a chilly morning this morning. We rolled in last night. Went through a really wicked rainstorm. Thought it was going to be, but it's actually pretty nice out here. A little bit wet, which is, yeah, I wouldn't say bad. And it's going to be a beautiful day today, like high of 24, 23. It was chilly last night. It dropped to about 7 degrees, but I just grabbed an extra blanket and I was pretty toasty all night. I didn't even wake up cold, which is kind of bizarre. But yeah, we are in a spot that we've been in before. It's the only one we could find. It's actually kind of busy here today, but I don't care as long as we're beside the water, because listening to the sound of the water at night is the best way to go to sleep. It's pretty awesome. Yeah. Girlfriend's just sleeping. She was up, but then she decided I'm going to bed because it's too cold out. And then yeah, I think I'm just gonna hang out, wait for my girlfriend to wake up, and I really need to make some coffee. I need coffee like right now. Like right now.
God damn, Jimmy. This is some serious gourmet shit.
So I'm gonna hang out, I'm gonna make some coffee, and probably see you back at breakfast-ish, maybe? Like, I don't know. Breakfast-ish? We'll see. But anyways, see you in a bit. Hey everyone, welcome back. We've been just hanging out this morning, enjoying the beautiful weather, even though it was chilly, but the fog made it. Just hanging out.
I just want to hang out. No big deal.
Sun's definitely come out and it's warming up, which is kind of nice, so I had to kill my jacket this morning, so yeah. Thought I had an issue with my cooler. It stopped working. Was giving me low voltage, but I think the switch on the back got flipped to high, so it was just disconnecting it, because it's, I think high is like 12.5, so it's not good enough. Sorry. Wow. So yeah, got that figured out. Don't judge me.
Judge me by my size, do you?
But we're testing out some Timu water jugs that we got for transporting water and stuff, and honestly, for what I paid for them, I'm actually fairly impressed right now, actually. So far, so good. So if they continue to be decent, I'm going to get a bigger one. So we can run a big one and 2 small ones, which will be kind of nice to have, especially when we're out here and water's a definite commodity, because you just don't have any place to fill up with water if you run out. Except for the river if you have like a filtration system, which are super expensive. So yeah, oh yeah, bacon and eggs and hash browns. It's gonna be exciting. So yeah. On a happy note, the battery I put in the last video was the issue. So my truck's been starting fine, hasn't died on me yet. Knock on wood. So yeah, crossing the fingers, but I'm pretty sure my alternator seems to be running good. It's 14 volts.
It's a street state, Dan.
So I'm not gonna complain. It's a real drag, but I definitely I have to get my suspension done. That was my plan until I started having vehicle problems, and that ate up my money. So now it's just gonna have to wait, but I definitely have to get my rear suspension done, and done because it has a fair amount of a bounce. So I have too much weight on the back for my springs and my shocks. So that's definitely next on my list, but it's gonna have to wait. It'll be probably this winter I'll do it. So it's going to have to be soon, unfortunately. So, but anyways, I think we're just gonna cook up some of this food and stuff, and then we'll see you back here for when we eat. Hanging out, relaxing. Yeah, taking advantage of the nice weather, and it's not going to be super hot, like high of 22 today. I'm okay with that. I am definitely okay with that. Right, hun?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because it was really hot the last few times.
Mm-hmm. So, we will. See you later. Hey everyone, look at that, Sandra the Master Chef. So good. Yeah. Well, I have to admit I was enjoying no bugs around, but now the wasps and everybody are starting to hang out. So bacon. So starving.
Get in my belly!
Oh, this is perfect. I had a craving for bacon the other day. And I'm like, bacon, eggs, and hash brown. Well, anyways, I think we're gonna eat this up and then clean up, and then probably have a couple games of Uno. Uno. And then we'll see you later for beer 30. Alright? See you later. So good. Bacon. Hey everyone, welcome back. It's been an awesome day. Just been doing absolutely nothing.
Why are you sitting here? Why would you be sitting on your computer?
We had a couple games, well, more than a couple games of Uno. It was more like a few. Well, a very much few, and it's very much even. Steven, I'm thinking again. Maybe, I think Sandra might be a little ahead of me right now. But whatever. But we were sitting here talking, and I think we decided we're gonna just cook the smokies on my little portable fire pit. Oh, you might need to get that one, honey. Yeah, so for something different, whatever. But anyways, I got a beer that I'm really nervous about.
I'm scared, Pancho.
It is a pomegranate cherry bubble tea beer, and I'm not a big fan of the bubble tea, but it's by the Evil Twin Brewing, New York City. 7% alcohol, bubble tea, sour ale with pomegranate cherry, boba pearls, and milk sugar. Keep refrigerated, drink fresh. I'm scared, but anyways, yeah, baby.
Hey, Johnny, how about a beer, huh?
Ooh, a couple Charles Bukowskis?
Couple Brustoyevskis?
So,
I'm nervous to watch you drink it. Well, here goes nothing.
how's the term they go? Bottoms up.
He was covered with 5 pies worth of used blue.
It's actually really good.
Is it?
Until I get to the moment, I probably pour my guts, but for right now, it's actually pretty good. The pomegranate really kills the cherry flavor. Like it's actually weird flavor.
You don't know what to think about that, do you?
No,
You're struggling with that one.
it's good. I'm just scared about what I know is actually in there.
The boba.
You know, it'd be way worse if I actually had a glass and I could pour it into it.
So then you can see it. Yeah.
I can't see it right now, so I'm okay. Actually, not bad.
Interesting.
This is one of the ones I picked up in Sylvan Lake when we went to do Ice Dragon Boat again. It got canceled, so we just had a weekend away with friends, and we drank lots of beer and found the coolest liquor store on the planet, and that was Craft Beer Nation in Red Deer. If anyone wants to go, you need to check it out if you like craft beer. I'm just saying, that place is awesome. I think those got a little bit burnt on that one side, eh?
Yeah. Burger.
I probably
This
had.
season.
I probably had that thing up a little bit too high, but whatever. Yeah, so yeah, we went up in the tent. We watched a movie. Sandra had a nap. I tried to have a nap, and nope. I'm not a huge napper. I'm not a big napper. If I'm sick, I will nap. If I'm really tired, I will nap sometimes. But yeah, so it's been a good day. That the fog kind of finally left, and it's been a great day. Like 22, 23.
Yeah, just perfect temperature.
So we're gonna eat some food, and then I think we're gonna have some more Uno games and have a fire, and I think Sandra's gonna probably
Make a couple s'mores. Yeah.
so yeah. Wow, those really split open, eh?
Yeah, they're perfect. They're getting good.
That thing is doing pretty good cooking those things. That was actually a really good idea. I wish the grill was just a little bit better for that thing, but
Yeah. It's fine.
yeah. It's been pretty quiet. Up until about 2 hours ago. Some guys were shooting a gun over here. Gun or 3. I don't know.
I don't know. There was a bunch of guys.
There was a bunch of guns over there. And then we've had the odd, like, side-by-side roll by, but other than that, it's been pretty decent day. I have no complaints whatsoever. No complaints whatsoever. No complaints. Yeah. So anyways, I think we're gonna eat this, and then we're going to play some Uno and then go to bed. Sandra's finally found a game that she can actually beat me at. It's 50-50. It's not like you beat me all the time.
No.
I have some pretty good hands that I've
I know.
beat you on. I don't know. I'm gonna keep you posted about this beer. I'll let you know when I get to the end how I feel about it. Yeah, for sure. Dude, there's a foot. Excuse the bug if it walked all over the lens. He's just, I don't know, having his way with my camera right now. Fuck right there. Alright, we'll see you a little later. Actually, we're going to see it tomorrow. We're going to play some Uno, have a fire, s'mores. Probably going to drink another beer if I get halfway down and decide I don't like this. And, yeah, I'll see you in the morning for coffee. Hey, good morning, everyone. It was a pretty good sleep. It's a little chilly this morning, but I don't know. I was pretty toasty last night. But do me a favor. If there's fire bans and it says no exploding targets, don't be a douche canoe and do it anyways. There was a couple guys here last night, or a group of people doing it, and well, it's no bueno. So yeah, so don't be that person. Girlfriend and I just having a coffee this morning, and then we're gonna start packing up our stuff and head to the back to the land of the living. Bullshit. So camping next weekend with a couple friends, which should be fun. So anyways, I think I'm gonna just call it here. Please like, subscribe, comment, and until next time, stay adventurous.